Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome my kids here. So this episode is going to be their closet trying out all their clothing. So yeah, they will try everything and we will donate all the clothes that are overused, small, and things that are really doesn't fit them anymore. So let's get started. This is the continuation of my recent video that when I tried all my clothes. So this time it's their turn. So let's get started. Hi. Show you this. So this is Yuki's closet. It's a bit clean, I think. So this is Luna's clothes. Everything that she open it, Yuki. Oh, that's all. And then the other one, yeah, those one are her dresses. Yeah, pants and Yuki's clothes. Can you open the other one? Is there clothes there? Okay, and Yuki's clothes. So very organized. Good job, anak. Okay, so let's turn around, both of you. Show me, Yuki. Okay, are you guys gonna keep that? Yes. Okay. Pretty. Looks small now. I think we're gonna donate it. Are we gonna donate that now or just set it aside? Yeah, okay. Outfit. Are you gonna keep that?
Yes.
Yeah, look pretty. Okay, fashion show na yung dalawa. Outfit number 3. Take picture. Take picture. Yuki first. You stay. Can you turn around? Turn around. Oh, do you like your outfit? Yeah. Okay. Can you call Ate's turn? Yeah, it's kind of floral, and the color's very nice. I think we're gonna keep those pieces. You like them? Yeah? Okay. Don't show your diary. Let's take picture. Number 6, Luna Freya. Okay, you stay there. Okay, I think this is too small. She wore this 1 month to 12 months. Turn around, baby. Oh, nice. Ate's turn. I think that dress is mine and it fits her so nice. She's gonna keep it. Beautiful. Okay, Luna and Yuki. Picture time. Good job. Can you post? Are you gonna keep that?
Yes.
It's too small. Ay, nice. But there's hole. I think we need to donate it. Okay? Okay? Or maybe we can cover it in 2. One moment. She doesn't like that one. Nice. Wow. Did you just... Wow, that's really nice, Ate. Another outfit, another dress. She got a good pieces of dresses. Can you turn around, Luna? She's wearing mother. Now let me. Can you turn around? Yay! Pretty outfit. Nice. Wow, that's really nice. Turn around. Very nice. Oh, I love this piece. I got it from Gap. Very cute. Do you like that one? You like a princess? A real princess. Smile. Minnie Mouse. What do you have there? Very cute. Big. Very cute. She's growing so fast. She's turning 11 soon. She's a young lady. You need to gain a little bit of weight, babe.
I'm trying.
Oh, she's putting lip gloss. Yes. Yes. Luna, may I see your outfit? Show yourself. Wow, beautiful dress. Nice. Ati's turn. She wants a dolly. She's 11. Funny. Okay. I think we're done for now because they've tried all their dresses, and I want to do another video. Look how messy it is now. So we're gonna clean it up, and I'll see you the next video. Oh, you say bye, kiddos. Say bye. Bye. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for subscribing.
Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Kiss mo sila. Say thank you.
Thank you for watching.